I have a great question. What is a client's role during the mediation and their lawyer's role? A client's really important. They talk to the mediator, and the mediator gets a sense of what their real damages are. And then the lawyer's role is still as the advocate. What I would wanted to move to ask you, and then there's another great question about arbitration that I'll just quickly answer, because I want to get to one other question about, for you, Kim, to close out. But an arbitration is, tell me if I'm wrong, Kim. So an arbitration is, you give up a right often to a jury trial in certain contracts that you sign. So there's mandatory arbitration clauses, which force you to arbitration, and those can be good and bad. There's different sides of it. On the one hand, sometimes the arbitrators are often paid by the industry people, so I always have a concern about that. But on the other hand, in an arbitration, you get to a judgment a lot quicker than you do in a civil case. So, what are your? Go ahead.
I think, Gary, one of the things people don't realize in arbitration, yeah, you get there a lot faster, and there's very, very limited grounds of appeal. So when you have that hearing, man, you finish that hearing, you get your decision in 30 days, boom, you are done. And for a lot of plaintiffs, think about it. Yeah, I can wait 3 years for my time in front of a judge or a jury, and in days of COVID, maybe 3 years is even optimistic. Or I can do an arbitration, and I've done arbitrations by Zoom now, which has been very interesting, and masked. I did an arbitration in a big couple rooms, everybody wearing masks. Very interesting. But you can get that case started and finished in certainly less than 6 months, maybe 4 months. Maybe that's worth it.
I had a large set of cases, a couple rounds of them, against some local and national businesses, some for-profit schools, that I sued them, and then they won some motions to compel arbitration. So then later on I had a second set, and I said, fine. And I just filed 20 arbitration cases, and we ended up trying a couple of them and then settling the rest. So there can be those things.